Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to configure IPSEC, that is site-to-site IPSEC. Let's get into the concept of configuration. This is our lab scenario that we are going to do, and these are our tasks that has to be completed in this lab. Let's get into the concept. Okay. This is our first start. Configure the IP address as per the topology. Make sure you have reachability to the endpoint. I have already configured the IP addresses as per this topology, and just check whether we have a reachability between the router ends. That is, this is our source end and this is our destination end. That is between the server router and the client router. This is what we need to check it. Okay. I just want to confirm the reachability now. Okay. Ping. So to the WAN interface, fast Ethernet 0/0 is connected. So fast Ethernet 0/0 interface. IP address is this. So I'm just trying to ping it. I just want to make sure whether I have a reachability between the two ends. Okay, there's no issue here. So the same thing should be between the from the client end router to the server router. Okay, fast Ethernet 0/0. This is my IP that is to be reachable from here. Okay, so far so good, no issue in reachability. I will just show you what is the configuration that I have done for reachability. Is just adding a static route. So I have pointed a default route towards the fast Ethernet 0/0. That is nothing but a outbound interface. That is a WAN interface, so that I can reach all other networks. The same thing I have configured in client router too. But while in case of cloud router, I just made a configuration for reaching the server and a PC. That's the configuration I done. That is towards a LAN interface segment for both the networks. 1.0 and 2.0 where fast Ethernet 0/0 and 0/1. This is what the configuration I have made. No routing protocols been running in none of the routers. So we just move on to the next configuration part. We just want to configure IKE Phase 1. So let's go into it. In the server router, I am doing this configuration. So IPSEC-KMP, IPSEC Phase 1 is IPSEC-KMP. I'm just creating a policy number. We need to use the encryption AES, then authentication preshare. This two is completed. This key we need to create it. We have to create it after a couple of minutes. Next is hash. This MD5. Then a group. It's 5. So then we just want to create a preshare-key as of now. Crypto IPSEC-KMP key. It specifies a 0 and a 6. Two things we can give. Either a 0 for an unencrypted format or a 6 for an encrypted. The key will be encrypted while displaying to you itself. So I'm just using a 0. That is unencrypted format. Next is our key. The key that I'm going to use it over here is pgrspot. Then its address, that is nothing but a PRN. PRN is the WAN interface that I'm going to use. It's 30.0.0.2. So that's it. So the same configuration I need to do in client router. Okay, I'm just copying this and paste it over here. Next, adding a key. Next, the address is okay. So far so good. I have created a show crypto IPSEC Phase 1 show crypto IPSEC KMP policy. So this is the default one that will be inbuilt. Next, this is our policy that we have configured. Next is we just want to create a phase 2. So first I will create this transform set, then I move on to the crypto map. Crypto IPSEC transform set. The name I'm going to use it is IPSEC-TRANS, and it's ESP protocol that I'm using. Yes. Okay. Next, I'm creating a crypto map. The crypto map name I'm going to use it IPSEC-MAP. It's 10 IPSEC KMP. You will get a notification that your crypto map will be disabled unless you mention a peer and access list that is to be configured. So until and unless you give this, it will be in the disabled state. First, I'm going to set the peer. The peer is nothing but IT set is a peer. Set peer. I'm going to set the transform set for which is a protocol or which authentication or encryption method mechanism that is going to be used. We just want to mention it. That all together will be configured in the transform set. That's what we are going to give it in the crypto map. Set transform set IPSEC-TRANS. Next is access list. That's match address, and this is our access list that we haven't yet created. So match address access list. So that's it. You can also check the show crypto map. You'll be seeing as a warning, it's incomplete, missing peer on access list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an access list as of now. Extended IPSEC-ACL. Next, I'm going to permit. What I need to permit is only packets from server to PC to go through the IPSEC encryption. Okay. Just want to confirm what is the IP that is being in server. Show interface fast Ethernet 0/0. This is 1.0/24. Okay. Permit IP 168.1.0.24, and here is okay. It's 2.0 segment. That 10 means 0 segment /24. Okay. 192.168.2.0. Okay. So once again, you can check the crypto map as of now. The access list is being added to the crypto one. So the configuration is fine from this end. So next, we just want to go to the client router. We need to add the same configuration over here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it to this client router. Set peer will be 1 and others are same. So I need to create an access list. IPSEC-ACL. Then we need to permit from this source 192.168.2.0, 192.168.1.0. Okay. By default, the any statement will be there in the access list, so no need of giving at any statement. If you are wanted to deny a particular statement, if you give a deny, a permit any will not be there. You just want to mention it. So far so good, everything is configured. So we just want to map the crypto map, that is a map to the concerned interface, that is to the concerned interface to which we need to done. Okay, now I'm going to configure to the WAN interface. Here in this case is fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, crypto map. This is the crypto map that we are using over here is IPSEC-MAP. Okay, yeah, you can just see the notification as IPSEC-KMP is on as of now. The same thing should have to be done over here. Okay, crypto map is IPSEC-MAP. So far so good. Show crypto IPSEC-ACL to be done in here. Show crypto IPSEC-ACL. Okay, you can check it over here as its local address is 20.0.0.1 and local identity from this end to this end. All packets will be encrypted. The parent IP is 30.0.0.2 with a port number 500, which is one of the UDP ports. Okay, we just check the same essays in client router. Show crypto IPSEC-ACL. Okay, from 2.0 to 1.0 the packet will be encrypted. Our local address is 30.2, parent is 20.1. No issues. Now what I'm going to do is just check the reachability for the peer. Okay, no issue. I just can directly check it from server itself. Okay, it's pinging, no issue in that. Whether any packets are encrypted, it should not be encrypted since it doesn't match the access list. No packets will be encrypted since only the packets from this interface, fast Ethernet 0/1 interface with this network, that is from the server end to the PC1. That network should only be encrypted. No other traffic should be encrypted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ping the PC end, that is 192.168.2.10 from here. Okay, you can check it. The packet should be encrypted. Yeah, the packets are encrypted. You can also check your access list. There are some matches in the access list. So this is how it works. The same thing you can check it over here as just filter the packets. Now I'm going to ping it from this end. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to reach the server from here. Ping the server, it is reachable. It should be encrypted. You can see here as from before the support packet, now I have initiated a five more packets now. Now it's reveals 9 packets being encrypted. Okay, repeat 10. Okay, you can check it now. It's 19 packets being encrypted. No issues in IPSEC. If you have trying to reach any other network, let's consider you are trying to reach 20.0.0.1 from here. It is reachable, but the packets will not be encrypted. So this is how IPSEC has been formed. Between a site to site, only the concerned packet will be encrypted, not all the packets. That's it. This is how we need to configure IPSEC between a site to site. If you have any queries regarding the configuration or any part, just give a comment. Thanks for watching. Until next time.